Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to mass replace text in a Outlook. So let's started. At first, open your documents. Firstly, any word is the copy. I am copy is the writing word is a copy, and go to the home menu option and click for the drop option and click for the editing option and click for replace option. And click for replace all. We apply the another documents and copy to the different word going to the home menu option and click for three dot option and click for finding editing and click for the replace option and click for the replace all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.